Hello friends, I'm Gaurav Parikh. I'm working in Batik Lab. I'm doing research in IIT Bombay. Uh, Batik Lab is a medical device development lab set up since 2015 and we've been able to deliver around 15 medical devices since then. Since 2 years, I'm working on a project called Abawani Prosthesis, which is a device for people with amputation and who do not have access to high-end applications available in the market. The innovation has won itself the Google Impact Challenge Award of $300,000, through which I'd be delivering the prosthesis to around 1,000 people free of cost. Uh, in lights on recent events, if we see that the spread of COVID-19 has led to requirement of essential equipments like ventilators, and we see a large class of population does not have access to ventilators, and to meet that scarcity, to meet that adequacy, uh, we are trying to make an attempt in IIT Bombay to make ventilators in cooperation with the World Bank. We're targeting to manufacture around 10,000 ventilators and focusing to deliver it in the next coming month to hospitals throughout the nation. To speak about the COVID scenario in India, with the first case located back on 30th of January in Kerala, I see India's got a good control on the spread of the COVID-19. With steps like nationwide lockdown, surveillance, contact tracing, I'm sure we'll be able to flatten the curve very soon. To see on the long-term effects of this COVID spread, the starting with the first and the foremost will be facing a huge economic disruption, and we see that the growth rate will be going down to around 1.5 to 2%. It is estimated by the global economic forums that the Indian GDP would be flat, going down, ramping down in the range of 2 to 3%, and that's a very bad sign. This might lead to huge recession, closure of small scale industries, and massive fiscal deficit. But that's not the only side we should see. There's also a positive aspect to this thing. To foresee on the first side of this, I see India has a capability and opportunity to embark its global footprint as a leader in the manufacturing and service sector and allied fields. You see, the COVID spread from China to the world has had a catalytic impact, and companies are looking forward to move out their manufacturing hubs out of China. And this movement of companies away from China to other developing countries would trigger a new industrial revolution, is what I see. And the expansion of manufacturing hubs linked with global supply chain would increase not only productivity, but it will also lead to large increase in global, say, employment thing. There are other opportunities that are lying out for India. How we as youth should look at this thing, and what should be our role when this kind of thing is taking place. First and foremost is create awareness about how we can avoid COVID-19, take care of the people around you, and ensure that the health of society is at a very good level. You see, this is kind of opportunity for you all and us to learn a lot of other things, other courseworks, because it's essential at this point of time to learn and update ourselves with knowledge, because we see all these opportunities lying ahead of us in the coming time. As we know that the youth plays a very vital role in the development of a country, and there's innate connection between youth and the prosperity of a nation. The one is dependent on the other, and we should look in how we can add and contribute to the national development through innovation, awareness, and understanding. This is not a point of panic. This is kind of opportunity we should look up to and take upon our shoulders. We are bound to die at some point of time ahead, but the goal should be of creating something that would be lasting forever. And that's what I believe it, be it creating knowledge, innovation, and ideology. So friends, that's something from my side. You see, the government is taking a huge efforts to bring this all in control and ensure our safety. All we need to do is sit down inside our homes and cooperate with this global scenario and cooperate with our government to come and fight this war against COVID-19. So I wish you all a very good health and bright future to come. Just take care. Thank you.